The angelized bulb is located at the top of the headlight. To remove the bulb, first disconnect the plug. Turn the socket counterclockwise and remove it from the headlight. This bulb is an LED marker, but the original one is a H10W bulb with a similar socket and yellow light. When installing a new bulb, you must align these pins with the headlight. Place the socket in position and turn it clockwise until it locks. Now you can reconnect the plug. The same procedure is available also for the other side of the car. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.